My name is Nissim Mashiach. I'm the CEO and the president of MacroCure. Basically, the company was established in Israel in 2008. The company business is in wound care. We are specializing in treating patients with how to heal wounds. Our flagship product called CureXcel, it's a cell therapy product that we are extracting from healthy donors, from whole blood. And basically the technology is around injecting the cells into the wound bed and activating what we call the chain reaction, healing process from the inside outside to create a full wound closure. Our technology is around the process of harvesting the right cells that are mimicking the necessary wound care position, and also around the activation of the cells in order to reach a full wound closure. In terms of the technology, basically the wound care business is, there is a huge unmet need in this business with companies that are trying to address a full wound closure. Our position is very different than the others because we believe that with our clinical data that we generate so far, with reaching over 70% wound closure, we are in a great position to show the different dimension. In addition, the technology is such that we are coming with a different approach. We are trying to heal the wounds from the inside outside, where all other technology like the negative pressure or the skin graft are trying to reach a full wound closure from outside inside. So this is our added value. The technology is really around harvesting immune cells from healthy donors. Basically, we are harvesting immune cells from whole blood, where we collect the blood from blood banks. We process it and partner with blood banks to collect the blood, harvesting them, and process it into finished product. We have two manufacturing facilities, one in Philadelphia in the United States, where we partner with the American Red Cross. American Red Cross is also our supplier and also our manufacturer in the United States. And with them we have also a way to scale up the positioning and spread our reach once we get to the market and supply the product needs in all of the United States and also North America. We have also another manufacturing facility in Israel, and basically in Israel we are supplying the product for clinical studies, and also the product is reimbursed. We are in late stage of development. We are in phase 3 clinical studies in the United States, Canada, and Israel. We are in advanced stage of recruitment. And basically our next milestone is to complete the phase 3 clinical study by the end of 2014, early 2015. And later on probably we'll be reaching a major milestone, which either will be an IPO or a trade sales of our marketing rights, basically Europe and the United States. We are going to conduct another phase 3 clinical study in early 2014, which will lead a BLA submission in 2016, and then we'll be in the US market and in Europe sometimes around the end of 2017, early 2018. The market, I would say it's a huge market. We are talking about, at the moment we are after just one indication, which is diabetic foot ulcers. And this market represents about $4.5 billion market. We believe that at peak we can reach 10% market share, and with a 75% gross margin, we can reach a gross profit of $380 million of sales. The financial situation for the company, I would say, well-funded. We just recently did a private round, also with some external investors. We raised $15 million at a pre-money valuation of $85 million, post-money valuation of 100. And basically at the moment we have enough resources to carry to the next milestone, which is the completion of the phase 3 clinical study, and probably a milestone in 2015, which is an IPO or trade sales of our marketing rights. The plan for the future for this company is basically really focusing and executing around the major value creation, which is the phase 3 clinical study, and bringing and getting the FDA approval for the diabetic foot ulcers indication. But having said so, that would be the first stepstone for us for future growth. So the next growth would be expanding the indication by doing additional phase 3 clinical study and getting into other bigger market indication like venous ulcers, like post-surgical wounds and pressure ulcers, which altogether represent over $10 billion of a market opportunity for the company. I believe that MacroCure represents a very significant opportunity. It's a cell therapy company, which can be the first cell therapy for wound care company in Europe. It can be the first cell therapy in the United States. We are coming with a technology which is a game changer in this industry. We are at late stage development of phase 3, but at the same time, we are selling this technology in Israel. So we have a validation every day by using the product through our patient, and we can see every day the effect that CureXL and the cell therapy product that we have on pressure ulcers, venous ulcers, post-surgical wounds, and also diabetic foot ulcers. So with that, I believe that MacroCure represents a very unique opportunity for any investors that would consider coming in. Thank you very much.